Well, it's April 13th, 2020, and today I'm going to be planting some lettuce indoors. Hey everyone, hey, it's Diane from Diane Mumm Garden Videos. Probably harvest indoors, and maybe plant a few of the plants outside later on. We'll see how it goes, but I know I like to get lettuce a little early. I probably could plant a little bit outside right now, but we're still kind of cold in the 20s at night. So I have the ruby red leaf lettuce. This is sand. This is how I always do it. I'm just going to put some in here like this. Let's see how that is. Mix it up. This just helps to spread it out so much easier. I got a lot of seed here, so. Alright. Take and mix it up using a peat perlite bark mix. I use for everything. Works the best for me, and that's what I like to use. Using this flat because as it grows, I'll be able to trim it off really easy, and it'll just be a piece of cake to harvest. So I just go like so, spread it out. And if it's thick, it's fine. I might even trim it for microgreens type seedling. I don't need it to grow real big. Just enough to get that nutrition, you know, that we all need. Looks like the seeds are spreading out pretty nice. I might have to, it ain't gonna be perfect, but it'll be fine. Put some right there. This is how I like to do it. You do it how you like to do it. There's no right or wrong. This one here, I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Alright, it says 5 to 10 days for germination at 70 degrees. I'm not going to put these on heating mat. This lettuce, you know. I'm just going to put them under lights because they like light for germination. So I'll just cover them really lightly. That should be good. We'll just water them in real good. Nice fine spray works great for this. And you can get this sprayer at any big box store or your farm and garden store. Okay, since it likes light for germination, I could put this dome lid right here like this, or if you got this plastic wrap, this works great too. But I'm going to use the dome lid. Well, today's April 17th. Planted the lettuce on April 13th, and as you can see, they germinated quite well, didn't they? And they're still coming up. I'm going to keep it on the dome lid on it for a little bit longer and let more germinate. As soon as I feel that, you know, we got a good success on germination, I'm going to take the dome lid off and put the light close, a couple inches above the plants. Today's April 21st. What I think I want to do is I might pull some of these out just for transplants out in the garden, or leave them like this, let them get a little bigger, and then shear them off. There's different ways you can do this, okay? So as you can see, the germination was fantastic. This was the ruby red lettuce, so I might just wait and see if they get a little red on them. It might take a little bit. These are just the first leaves yet. I'm going to wait till they get their true leaves coming, and then we'll be able to see the color. April 28th, update on the lettuce. Look at it. Isn't that wild? Look how big it's gotten. I could cut these off already and we could eat them in our salads. I'll probably be doing that in a few days. So there you go. It works really good indoors, and they have done wonderfully. Really happy with them. Get you a closer view, see how green they are. May 2nd update on the lettuce planted indoors. Check that out. I'm going to be trimming these just as you would a microgreen pretty soon, and then they're going to be going in our salads. But they grow really good inside. Lettuce grows really nice inside. Now this was supposedly the ruby red. I'm not seeing much red tint. There is a little bit coming, so that must come with a little age. But don't they look good? Good and healthy. I have direct sowed some outside too. So I just wanted to share that you can do this indoors real easily under some good lighting. May 9th update on the lettuce. Check it out. They are starting to get a little bit of red on the leaves, but I don't think they're going to do too much here indoors. And I'm going to be trimming these soon, and I'll be doing that on video, so stay watching. Hey everyone, so it's May 11th, and I think we're going to go ahead and cut the lettuce today. I could let it get a little bit bigger, but I want to do it. So we're going to get it cut, and you can kind of watch what I do. We'll see how much we get. Alright, let's get cutting. So I think what's going to end up happening is these could come back again a little bit, and just look at that. Isn't those nice? So I'm just going to pull some up over here and just start cutting. Well, there's a lot of smaller stuff underneath. It's going to take just a little bit, so I'll speed her up on the video. Alright, so we're done, and I think I could possibly, just by looking at it, let it grow again. But I think I'm just going to give it to my chickens, and they will love it. So let's see what we got here. Nice. You can see it's a little smaller lettuce. It's got the, you can see the stems on them. That'll be really good in a salad. We'll just wash them up real good. But there is the harvest. This is a pretty big bowl, and I'm pleased with it. Lettuce is really easy to grow indoors, and I would suggest anybody, if you want to get a head start and you can't get outside yet, or just do it in the wintertime, you can do this in the wintertime. Really great. So this will conclude the lettuce indoors, and I'm going to wash this up. They don't feel near as tough as the lettuce does outside, just because they're growing indoors. So once I put them in the fridge and put them in the keeper for a couple days, it should firm up a little bit. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.